Electric trackless floating door. Use our factory-made accessory sets. No need for angle iron, square tubes, or I-beams on the ground. Suitable for all types of sliding doors, including gates for villas, schools, factories, and construction sites. No longer restricted by potholes or slopes. Sliding doors open and close smoothly in heavy snow. No longer worry about incoming and outgoing vehicles bending the floor rails. No more tripping hazards from entering and exiting the door. The small accessory set has a load capacity of 400 kg. The medium accessory set has a load capacity of 800 kg. And the large accessory set has a load capacity of 1200 kg.